So hello guys, welcome to Pro Education. In today's tutorial, you learn how to download and install the latest version of Java on your Windows 11. So first open your browser. I'm using Chrome and search Oracle Java. Press enter. Click on the first link and click download Java. Scroll down and this is the latest version, JDK 25 at the moment. And since you are downloading for Windows, click Windows and click and download the link for x64 installer. It's more flexible than the x64 Microsoft software installer. So click on the link and wait for it to get downloaded. So our download is complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. Minimize. So click yes. So it's preparing to install. Click next. So Java will get installed in this location, but if you want to change your directory, click change and select the directory of your choice and click next. So Java has been successfully installed. You can close. Now let's set the path. Open your File Explorer, open C drive and open program files. So search Java. Here it is, open. Java JDK 25, open. Open bin. Click here and copy this path. You can minimize. Come to the search bar and type environment variables. So edit the system environment variables, open. Select environment variables. Under system variables, double click on path. Click new. And paste the path that you have recently copied and click OK, OK, and the last OK. So let's verify the installation. Come to the search bar again and type cmd and press enter. Type Java space -- version and press enter. And you can see that you have downloaded and installed the latest version, which is Java 25. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.